Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Stern, Stern Chiropractic, helping you and your kids maximize your health, performance, and quality of life naturally. Well, now I'm continuing my three-part series on vegan cheese with a vegan cheese sauce or dip. It's kind of a combination of American and cheddar. It is delicious. It's creamy. I think you're going to love it. There are not a lot of ingredients. The recipe takes about 5 minutes and couldn't be easier. So let me show you what's involved. All of the cheese sauces, as you've seen from the beginning, involve using like a high-powered mixer, like a Vitamix, like this. And they all use cashew. I use the Trader Joe's cashew pieces as I showed you last month. They soak in hot water, boiling water, in this case for 15 minutes, and then you drain it and you can use it. It also includes nutritional yeast, miso, rice wine vinegar, water, turmeric, and smoked paprika. So let's get started. As always, the recipe will be included below the video so you can easily download it and use it at home. And again, make sure to go to the website, www.sternchiro.com, and check out our entire newsletter archive. It's 25 years of health and wellness newsletters right at your fingertips. It includes other recipes. It includes almost all topics you could think of related to natural health and wellness. So, with this cheesy sauce, all we do is we empty all the ingredients right into the blender here. The cashews, the spices, the rice wine vinegar, the water, the nutritional yeast, and the miso. Miso can be a little messy. So I'll go ahead and blend this up and I'll show you what we get. All right, so when using the blender, always start at the lowest setting and slowly turn it up until you get to high. By the time you get to high, it's all blended and all ready to go. Primarily you do that so that it doesn't splatter. And this is what we get. A nice, thick, creamy cheese sauce. This is delicious with chips, with pretzels, on homemade nachos. Really works for so many different things. It is really delicious. I hope you're going to love it. Please try it out at home. It's super easy. Share it with your friends. Share the other newsletters with your friends. Again, www.sternchiro.com. Go to the newsletter archive. Use the search box. You can type in recipes, come up with all these different recipes. You can type in ergonomics. You can type in posture, stress management, deep breathing, meditation. All of these topics are there for you. I hope you have a wonderful month. I'll see you next month. Peace.